Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today we are from Group Jingga. Would like to present about our fundamental image project that have been given to us to so improve our image data set. Before that, I want to introduce my group member first, which is the first one we have NURIN NADHIRAH, and the second one we have DANIAL AZWAR, and also lastly which is myself, Muhammad Imam HAKIMY. So I will pass to Daniel to start this presentation.
Thank you, Iman. Now we have dataset. After we search the dataset on kaggle.com, we finally selected the dataset hand gesture recognition database from Leap Motion where this dataset shows different hand gestures. Image problems. The issues with the picture is that we can see the face and the background of the image is clearly seen that the picture has a person with the object. There's also a part of the picture that we have to crop just to show the hand at the center. Pattern. We have a few patterns that we choose, which is palm pattern, L pattern, fish pattern, first move pattern, thumb pattern, and index pattern. Our first result recognition rate shows 24.9221%. Next, our second result, we after we put some techniques for us to further improve the recognition on our data, set placing crop image, reduce brightness, and add more contrast. After we run the recognition program, we get 92.5234%. This is our overall MATLAB script as you can see on our right side. Effect that we are using for the image to improve the recognition rate. Next, I would like to ask NURIN for improve our dataset recognition.
Alright, thank you, Daniel. So now we'll explain about how we improve our dataset recognition. The first technique is where we crop the image of our dataset where the original image of our dataset is too wide. So we use the crop technique to take only the required part of the image. So next is a contrast filter is a MATLAB technique to increase the contrast in the image. So we use contrast to bright more color used in the image. So for the third step is we reduce brightness. This technique is where we use to reduce our brightness in dataset so that the background of the dataset is completely black to further increase recognition. So the last step is resizing the image to 100 times 100 is essential for most image restoration or enhancement in order to emphasize the components that need to be viewed clearly and perform effectively for recognition. So next, I will pass to Iman Hakimi to demonstrate the project.
Alright, thank you Nurul and also Daniel for the brief of presentation about our project. So hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Imam Hakimi and today I will show you a demonstration about our project and also how to execute it. So first, as you can see right now in the screen, we have two tabs which is in the left side, I really show the tab for coding and also the right side we have for the command window that will show the output of our project and also the current folder. So here as you can see right now in the right side, this is our dataset file which we have palm, L shape, face, move, thumb, and also index. So we already told you that we choose 6 pattern. So we choose from palm and also thumb. Alright, so here as you can see right now, wait, we have we already combine all the 6 pattern into file which is trace and also train. So okay, so how we want to connect our dataset to the system. So the first step is that we need to in the sample code.m we need to put the directory of our project of our dataset file. Here as you can see I already put the train directory and also the test directory. And don't forget add here in the line 30 and also in the line of 20 we need to put the total of image in the test file and also the train file. So after we put the data rate, I will run this project first because I want to show you the first result of our recognition, our data set, like how many recognition that the neural network can detect our original image. So I will click run first. Here, as you can see right now, the system we show the output, the first output, which is if we show the bar graph, as you can see right now, the one we will represent part, two we will represent a shape, three we will represent fish, four we will represent fish move, and also so on. So after the neural network already done with the training, it will show the different output, which is this is actually this is the total of in the in the test file. Alright. So as you can see right now in the right side, this is our recognition of the original without any filter that we put. This is the recognition from the original of our image. So we only get 24.9221%. So how we want to improve our data set? So like we want to make sure that our recognition rate is more higher than before. So the first step that is we go to the pre-process.m. So as you can see right now, Nurin and Daniel already explained the method that we use to improve our image. So here as you can see right now, I will open the crop method first, which is we use arm crop, and also this is the location, the area that we want to crop. So next, I will open the subplot first, as you can see right now, for crop image. And we say that we put control filter. So this is the coding of control filter, so that we can put more color and also sharp the image. And don't forget, I will open the subplot first, so it will show the image of control filter. So next, I will open the reduce brightness coding, which is we want to reduce the brightness, so that as you can see right now, we say that in the background of the object, it will see a face of human. So that's we want to remove it, but we need to reduce the brightness of the image. So as you can see right now, so I will also open the reduce brightness. And the last is that we want to resize our image to 100 times 100. So this is the coding. So after we done the coding, after we done put the method in the pre-process image, so we will go to the sample code and click run. Okay, but first we need to make sure that all the coding is functional and also the variable is correct. So let me check first. So this is L. Okay, it will go to the L, and L will go to the B, and B will go to the J. And yeah, as you can see right now, we need to change here. So we put J here. Okay. Alright. So right. Then click save, and so I will run this project. So yeah, we're gonna skip this process because the neural network will take so long to process our data set because of the total, because we put 500, 300. So that's why the neural network will take so long. So yeah, we'll be right back. Hi, welcome back. So here, as you can see right now, this is the result after we place the method and filter for the image that, and right now as you can see, the system will show the output of the image of each filter, which is the first image that we put is crop image, the second is contrast image, and the third one is reduce brightness, and the last one is resize as you can see right now. Just after we put the filter of our choice, right, as you can see, our data set recognition here, as you can see in the right side, is increasing, and it increased from 24% and to 92%. And this means that the neural network system is finally able to detect for each pattern with higher. So yeah, I think that's all from me about the demonstration for our project. And before parting, I want to say thank you to my teammate, members, and also doctor for willing to teach us about this subject for this semester. So I think that's all from us. Bye and Assalamualaikum.